everyone, this is your Professor Nilesh Anandwani from Anandwani Biology classes. As you know that we have started one complete series of teaching a NEET online, and this is the NEET 11th standard unit number 1 called Diversity in Living World, and the first chapter of this one is the living world. In this unit I have uploaded several videos related to the what is living, related to the binomial nomenclature, related to the botanical garden, zoological park, herbarium, museum, etc, etc. And today I am going to put the last video of this chapter, that is key. What is key? Actually students get confused about the word called as a key and what is the use of key. Actually this is not lock opening key. This word key is used in classification. So key is used in classification. Key is used in classification. Actually key is related to two different words. One word is called systemic and second it is related to taxonomy. So student of 11th standard, you must be knowing what is meant by systemic and what is meant by taxonomy. If you are not knowing, then see it clearly one time. And if you see my video just clearly, then I can give you guarantee that there is no need to read it from any kind of a book. You can directly solve the number of MCQs. So first of all, what is meant by systemic? Systemic can be defined as it is nothing but study of similarity and dissimilarity between two living organisms. So what is meant by systemic? Systemic can be defined as it is nothing but study of similarity and dissimilarity between two living organisms. For example, I will show you. One side, right side, I am going to tell you about plants, and left side I am going to tell you about animal. So these both are living organisms. Now what is similarity? Plant can shows reproduction. Animal can also shows reproduction. Plant can shows respiration. Animal can also shows respiration. Plant shows ability to respond external stimuli. Animal can also shows ability to respond external stimuli. So these 3 points are similar in both of them. Now dissimilar. Plants are autotrophics. Animals are heterotrophic. First difference. Second, plant do contain cell wall. Animal don't contain cell wall. Third, plant are always considered as producer. Animal are always considered as a consumer. So 3 points I taught you about the similarity between plant and animal, and 3 points I have taught you about dissimilarity between plants and animal. So this was called as a systemic. Study of a similarity and dissimilarity between two living organisms is called systemic, and it is the first concept related to the taxonomy. Second, what is meant by taxonomy? Taxonomy can be defined as it is nothing but study of collection, identification, nomenclature, description, and finally classification. This is called taxonomy. Taxonomy can be defined as it is nothing but collection, identification, nomenclature, description, and classification. For example, you are visiting somewhere in any place like a garden, and your biology teacher is not with you, and you found one of the very beautiful flower, but you are interested to know what is the classification of this flower, but you don't know exactly. So what you will do, first of all, you will collect the flower. Then you will bring it into the lab or department to the biology sir. Then he will identify you from just only external feature. Then you will give a nomenclature. You will say the name of that flower is suppose XYZ, a normal basic naming. Then you will go for description. What is description? Like how many androeciums are there, how many stamens are there, how many gynoeciums are there, how many carpel pistils are there, how many petals are there, whether it is a polypetalous, whether it is a gamopetalous, means free petal, polypetalous, fused petal, gamopetalous, whether sepals are free, polysepalous, whether sepals are few, gamosepalous, stalk, peduncle, older flowers are top or new flowers are at the bottom, exactly, you can say inflorescence. And finally, after description, finally you will classify that this flower belongs to kingdom Plantae, division Angiosperm, yes, class, subclass, series, etc., etc. At the end, genus and finally species. This is taxonomy. So key word is related to the method of classification of all biological living organisms based on two different words. One is a systemic, second one is a taxonomy. So guys, this was a lecture about the topic called as the key last point of a NCERT chapter from the chapter number 1 called as the living world. And if you want to see other videos of this chapter, so just to hit the playlist, just go to my you can say coaching class on a YouTube channel and search for the living world you can say playlist, where there you will get almost all 8 to 9 videos related to this chapter only. And I'm going to upload one more video which will contain all these small 8 points. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.